Malam, Gadget pahlawan, kita lagi ada di Malioboro. Oke, sekarang waktunya untuk jalan-jalan malam di sini, menikmati Malioboro walaupun tadi hujan dan ini sih masih gerimis-gerimis gitu ya, tapi tidak menyemangatkan semangat kita untuk jalan-jalan. Mari ikuti keseruan kita hari ini.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
Oke guys, ini kita pakai Xperia 5 video depannya ya. Kemudian ini tuh walaupun hujan, tapi justru habis hujan malah tambah ramai guys. Karena malam minggu. Hai jomblo.
Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it. While you drown, they wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
So guys, kita udah di bakpia patok 25. Jadi di sini kita bisa beli oleh-oleh ya guys ya. Ada bakpia tentunya, ada berbagai macam rasa dan kita bisa icip-icip juga. Ada sale, terus ada brem. Kemudian di bawah ada geplak juga guys. Nih, yang manis-manis dari kelapa sama gula. Oke, jadi kita ambil oleh-oleh untuk beberapa saudara. Oke, kita bayar dulu. Surabaya.
Look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hai guys, oke, jadi ini adalah malam terakhir kita di Jogja dan sekarang gue ada di Raminten Cafe. Jadi dia tepatnya di lantai 3. Di bawah itu ada Hamzah Batik, nah itu tepatnya di situ. Nah menurut gue sih ini tempat paling worth it ya. Maksudnya ada kafenya, terus kemudian kita bisa belanja, tempatnya juga nyaman, terus ada pertunjukan-pertunjukan tarian juga, jadi keren pol. Sayangnya ini adalah malam terakhir vlog kita bersama dengan Sony Xperia 5. Oke, jadi tunggu keseruan kita selanjutnya untuk kita nge-vlog ke kota-kota lain. Oke guys, sampai sini dulu. Gue Vanilla dari tim Gadget Pahlawan pamit. Bye guys.
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This